Hello guys, I don't have a microphone, so today this is my first time actually recording or filming. I'm so tired, but at least for today's work we are I think 80% on our goal. So I've been supervising the other house, my house, the one that I'm renovating, and I've also been supervising this side, okay, where they have been preparing or digging the foundation. So I'm going to take you there and see how and where we are. So I told you this is going to be a 4-bedroom house, 3 bathrooms, common bathroom, my bathroom, and then a master bathroom and all that. So they're going to be 3 and then 4 rooms, and yeah, a kitchen inside, it's going to be a big one. So I'm going to take you and you see what I'm talking about. So because they are done, so tomorrow we are starting on the foundation. I hope I'll be in position to take you through the process. So I think I should actually stand this side and you see what I'm talking about. Timo drum gambe to see my batula. I saw. Hey. Eyo ddala nabyerabidde. So yeah, Linako. So this is the first bedroom. One waliwo bedrooms meka? 2. Ati wano makati waliwo ki? Ebyo bibiri. Eno neeri. Lindako. Musa. Yabadde alina okubeera common bathroom ng'eri wamu. Ng'ebisenge bibiri bikushyaringa bathroom. Master bedroom erwa? Erwa? Aha, eddako. So eno bathroom yeno nega kali katono nene. So this is the master bedroom. Yeno bathroom yayo. Then eri bathroom yeri bedroom. Okay, nkitegedde. Then eri kile sharinga bathroom yo makati Kati let me go this side. Nkitegedde. Yes, Musa kano ka shade si katono. That is the shade. So yeno shade yo maaso. So this is the shade. Okay. Then sitting room etandikirawo, dining ne kitchen. Nze nkugambye otakeera nze nkwekwatira. Nkwatamu bukwasa ati anti oluddako bojja keera. Ate kati mbo oyagala nkole eki? Tisa so yano ngitegedde. Linako Musa. Stowe eriwa? Ino kisenge. Wano makati wali eddiiro ne dining. Okay. Tonagitegeera. So this is the kitchen. Ate wano eno Musa. Wano. No? Linako, eno kitchen, right? Ate nebeera ta shading eri mu makati ga kitchen ne bedroom.
Ate si bedroom.
What is this?
No,
yes.
Wano
Ejjetya? Wali tewali musingi kugenda eri? Eh.
Double it one. This I went to the double it.
Mm.
Space no. Ya shade.
Yes, anti madina nga kano ka shade katono. Katono. Shade sijikiriza naawe. Sisobola. That is kaba katono. No, Musa. Musa, this is a big house. Tosa take out a shade katono. Kati olaba muba muli outside, you need like oba mulinga 10. You don't tengata msana kujjako lokubanga. Ya nchimenyi. Ejakolebwa effumbiro, yes. Abeere ina. Shade labibwa. So yeah, that is how it looks like. That is my engineer, my son. My son has grown and he's my engineer right now. I'm so proud. It feels good, and you know, chinsanyu sokubenanga. He can literally do this. He can do this. So yeah, so the foundation is done, you guys. I hope you can see it. The foundation is done. It is so big. So let me just show you. That side I showed you, it has 2 bedrooms. Of course, I think my bedroom will be that side, and then another bedroom. So in my bedroom there is a bathroom, a self-contained bathroom, and then the other bedroom, there is a self-contained bedroom too, bathroom. And then this one, there is a bedroom here. There is a bedroom here, and this Musa chino no store. Okay, so yeah, the one you're seeing in the middle, that is a kitchen, and then after that there is a shed. Okay, and this one is a store. So this is the 3rd bedroom here, and then in the middle there is a common bathroom, and then the other one at the extreme end, it is another bedroom. Okay, so it is another bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms are going to be sharing the bathroom. They are going to be having a common bathroom. Okay, yeah, self-contained one. So I think you can see what I meant by a mega house. That's what I meant. Okay, so let me go back down because I still have workers. So these ones are done. Today I had a total of 22 workers, guys. It is so hectic to take care of these people and to like cooperate with them, because most of them they are so disturbing, but yeah, they did a good job. They started this at 8. It was very good. It was a very good job. So yeah, I'm not complaining. They have performed really well. Okay, one thing I've liked about this village, people here likes working. People like working. Abantu bagala okukola eno, which is very good. Okay, so yeah, so that is the update that I had for you. I don't know how I look. I feel like I look, I don't know how, but yeah, I've been busy. I want to go wash my clothes, shower, and maybe prepare something for my workers that I came with from town. Okay, because yeah, today I feel like we should have some supper or evening something. So that is what I'm going to do. See you when you see me. So let me set someone here and then I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you.